Hello my friends, on today's episode on Grainificent, I will be showing you how to load and unload this beautiful Ricoh KR-5 Super II film camera. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we get to it, I would like to announce the sponsor of today's episode, you. Whenever you support this channel, you are helping me grow this channel. Also, members get early access to all the videos I make. So, in order to load your Ricoh KR-5 Super II film camera, of course, we have to turn it around and open this door. We open it raising this lever up and even a little higher up until the door pops up, just like that. And now I have this used film roll for testing purposes. You insert the roll with this tip facing downwards like this. You have your 36 mark or however frames you have upside down, most likely this way, with the longer tongue down below, and you insert your tip into a hole in here, and there's a little hook. When you start winding, it grabs onto the sprockets. You pull out some film, insert it into this hole, and then wind some film. Just like that. It caught on. After you do that, lock this so it falls into the cartridge here. Close the camera, and looking from the top here, rewind your film so you got some tension in there. So this also serves, if you feel resistance, don't overdo it. It might come back a little bit just like it did here. Right here on this screen, you keep shooting until you get to frame 1. And while you're advancing, you make sure this is spinning. If it's spinning while you're advancing, that means it's pulling the film on. Everything is grabbed on correctly. So we already wound one frame. Take a shot. Wind the next one. As you see, this is spinning. Take a shot. And again, take a shot. This was at frame 0. So one more time. Now we are at frame 1. We are ready to take a shot. When you have everything loaded, of course, check if your ISO setting is correct, and you're ready to take photos. If you are at the end of your frame count and your shutter doesn't want to advance any further, don't force anything. You will tear the film off. When you're at the end of your roll, to rewind the film back into the cartridge, you can lock this into place here. You flip the camera upside down and you hit this button over here. You just press it in. You don't have to hold it in. It actually stays in. When you hit that button, you raise this lever and clockwise to rewind the film back into the cartridge. And if you want your film leader to stay sticking out so you don't have to worry about picking your cartridge with a film picker or something like that, as soon as you feel some resistance, you will hear it click off the pickup spool. There we go. Something like that. If you feel it let go, of course, that just loosens the tension in the cartridge. When you heard it click, if you're not sure, you can wind it further. So if you're giving it to a lab, you don't have to have your film leader sticking out. So to make sure, just wind it completely in. Again, open it up a little further. And as you see, I left mine sticking out. That is how you load and unload your Ricoh KR-5 Super II film camera. Check my other video about it, about how to use this type of camera. So that was how you load and unload the Ricoh KR-5 Super II film camera. A beautiful piece of equipment. If you like this video, please remember to hit the like button. If you are interested in film photography related content, remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. So thank you my friends, take care, and see you next episode.